Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Let's start with creating our 11th title. Create a new composition. Give it a name. Here I will set the time duration to 4 seconds. Remaining all will be the same. Now select the pen tool. Make sure the fill option is set to none. Stroke option is set to solid color. Now create line as shown. Perfect. For this line, you can adjust the stroke value here. You can align the line to the center. For this shape layer, in Add, select the trim path. In Trim Path, at start of the timer line, create keyframe for start and end. Change start value to 50%, and end value to 50%. Now at 1 second, change start to 0%. Change end value to 100%. Select Created Keyframes. Change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. For this shape layer, let's add fill from Effect panel. Here you can set any color of your choice. Here I will rename this to line. Now press Ctrl+T to create duplicate of this line. Place this line at 10 frames. For below line, change track matte to alpha inverted matte line 2. You can see the preview. Here you can see the outline is created. To hide this outline, for line 2, search for Simple Choker. Add it to line 2. Reduce the choke matte value till it hides the outline. Perfect. You can see the preview. Perfect. Let's create duplicate of line 2. For line 3, remove the Simple Choker. We will place this line 3 at 20 frames. For this line 3, we will increase the stroke value. Here I will set it to 100. For line 3, press S to bring up scale. Unlink the scale, change X value to 90%. Here I will slightly increase the stroke value. 120 will be fine. Here we will create duplicate of this line 3. For line 3, slightly change position values as shown. For line 4, in Effects and Preset, search for Drop Shadow. Add it to line 4. Adjust the shadow direction. Adjust distance. Increase softness. Slightly adjust opacity. Here you need to adjust the value, depending on the size of your shape. Now let's add our main text. Here I am using Montserrat font family. Font style to extra bold. Increase the font size. Perfect. Place it at center of the shape. Now let's create a new solid layer. For easy identification, I will change its color. Name it as Shape 1. I will place this shape layer at center of the text layer. Reduce the position value, till it hides the half text. Perfect. For text, change track matte to alpha matte shape 1. Now let's create duplicate of these two layers. For above shape layer, increase the position value. Increase in such a way that the hidden text is visible. Perfect. Now for text layers. Press P to bring up position. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for position. At 10 frames, change position value for each text layer as shown. Perfect. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect, here our main text is ready. Now let's add the subtext. Here I will add my subtext. Position the subtext at center. Let's reduce the font size. Perfect. For this text layer, in Animate, let's add tracking. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for tracking. At 10 frames, increase the tracking amount. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. For this text layer, we will create a new solid. Here I will name it as Shape 2. Position it above the main shape layer, hiding the subtext. Now we will create duplicate of this text and shape layer. Place it above. Position the text layer below. Here I will change the text. Similarly, position the shape layer below, hiding the second subtext. For subtext, change track matte to alpha matte shape layer 2. For subtext layers, press P to bring up position. At 2 seconds, create keyframe for position. At 10 frames, change position values as shown. Perfect. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. Now let's create a null object. Parent all layers to null object. For null, press S to bring up scale. At 20 frames, create keyframe for scale. At 3 seconds, change scale value to 120. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect. Create a new adjustment layer. Search for transform. Add transform to adjustment layer. Here you need to change the skew value. Depending on which direction you want, you can set the skew value. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here title 11 is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then make sure to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.